Hello everyone! Welcome to the International Wali Songo of Science Competition or IWSC. In this digital era, manual attendance systems are no longer relevant. They are prone to lateness, manipulation, and inefficiency. So, what if technology could solve all of that? We from the physics team of Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung are proud to present our innovation. Joining me, Amalia and
I am Almatrina Nabila.
I am Abhimanyu Pratama Alkosan Nugraha.
And I am Indrian Helawati.
Ready to see how technology can transform the way we record presets? Let's dive in.
The purpose of this project is to develop an automatic fingerprint-based attendance system that's more efficient, accurate, and fraud-resistant, especially for education environment. The system integrates biometric technology, IoT, and cloud-based database using the ES6008 sensor, ESP32 microcontroller, and Supabase. Beyond solving attendance issue in school and university, this project aligns with the global trend of educational startup that focus on digitizing school administration, include real-time attendance tracking.
Attendance manipulation, such as proxy attendance or false check-ins, remains a serious issue across various sectors, including education. New reports have revealed numerous cases where employees or students ask others to sign in on their behalf, or even falsify their check-in and check-out times. These practices not only undermine the integrity of administrative system, but also affect discipline, accountability,
masyarakat terkait ketidakhadiran.
Saya melihat ada ASN titip.
The situation is further exacerbated by the continued use of manual attendance system, such as signing paper sheet or calling names one by one in class. These outdated methods are time-consuming, prone to human error, and difficult to track if data discrepancies occur. It's not uncommon to find missing attendance record, unconscious data, or even missing log due to human oversight or system limitation. This challenge clearly highlights the urgent need for technological innovation and attendance system. By integrating the ES3008 fingerprint sensor, the ESP32 microcontroller, and Supabase as a real-time flow database, we developed an automated attendance system that is accurate in identifying individuals, securely store data in the cloud, tamper-proof, and aligned with the digital transformation of school administration. This innovation also aligns with the direction of many educational technology startups, which focus on digitizing school operation, creating solutions that are more efficient, transparent, and sustainable.
Okay, in this attendance system project, we have using some components that's ESP32 with extension board, and then AS608 fingerprint sensor module, LCD A2C display, buzzer, and SUPA-based interface. So the ESP32 acts as the central microcontroller managing all components and handling Wi-Fi communication. It interfaces with the AS608 fingerprint sensor, which is used to scan and verify user fingerprints for identification. Once a fingerprint is successfully matched, the LCD A2C display shows relevant message such as the username, confirmation of attendance, or error message if the fingerprint is not recognized. And a buzzer provides audio feedback, typically a short beep for success and a longer beep for failure, or offering a quick non-visual status indicator. The system also integrates with SUPA-based interface, that a cloud-based backend service to store and retrieve attendance data in real time.
The circuit begins with a 3.3 volt positive voltage from the ESP32, which is connected to the VCC of the I2C LCD and the VCC of the fingerprint sensor. The SDA and SCL pins of the I2C LCD are connected to pins 21 and 22 of the ESP32. Respectively, the positive pin of the buzzer is connected to pin 4 of the ESP32, and the positive pin of the push button is connected to pin 13 of the ESP32. All ground pins of each component are connected to the ground of the ESP32.
Methodology and system testing. The methodology is in the study involves the design, implementation, and testing of a fingerprint-based attendance system. The system is designed to operate in 3 main modes. The first, fingerprint registration. Second, check-in or check-out attendance and daily data reset. All interaction data is stored automatically and displayed in real time via an LCD screen. First, fingerprint registration process. In this stage, user register their fingerprint info the system by pressing the registration button. The fingerprint sensor reads the fingerprint pattern and stores in the microcontroller's memory. Each fingerprint is assigned a unique ID to represent the user identity. Second, button press simulation. The system is equipped with buttons as an interface for switching between modes. These buttons are used to activate specific functions such as registration, attendance, lodging, and data resetting. When a button is pressed, the microcontroller adjusts the system operation according to the selected mode. Third, attendance status update. Once a registered fingerprint is successfully recognized, the system checks the current status of the user. If the user has not yet checked in, the system records the event as a check-in. If the user has already checked in, the next fingerprint scan is recorded as a checkout. The update attendance status immediately displayed on LCD.
From this device, we obtain a system that integrates the ESP32 with an open source database using a two-way system capable of both writing and reading data. Its function is almost the same as similar device on the market, but this device has its own advantage, such as automatically clearing attendance records every 24 hours. Moreover, it is considered economical because its cost is significantly lower compared to other devices available in the market.
Conclusion. This study successfully developed a fingerprint attendance system using the AS608 sensor, ESP32 microcontroller, LCD I2C, and SUPA-based interface, enabling accurate, efficient, real-time attendance recording in educational environment. The system support fingerprint registration, check-in, check-out, logging, and automatically daily data reset, ensuring data privacy and daily operational readiness. Testing demonstrate the system's consistent fingerprint recognition, precise timestamp recording, and reliable handling of repeated entries without error. Integration with SUPA-based ensures secure, accessible cloud-based data storage for authorized parties. While the system functions effectively, its dependence on internet connectivity and a basic interface remains area for improvement, with future work potentially adding some offline caching and mobile notification integration. Overall, the system is suitable for small to medium scale deployments as accurate, efficient, and adaptable automate attendance solution supporting digital transformation in education. Alright, with this technology, attendance is no longer just a mere record of presence. Instead, it becomes a tangible step in the digital transformation towards an educational system that is more transparent, efficient, and modern. This is a leap forward for a better future. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.